How to cancel Rakuten cashback membership. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is get into your Rakuten.com, or you can use the application if you want to. Then from here, simply tap on the menu bar right here. You'll be able to simply get the option of login. Simply tap on login and then log into your account, right? So after successfully logging into your account, you'll be able to see a dashboard just like this. Again, you'll need to tap on the menu bar here and then tap on account now. So after tapping on account here, you'll actually be able to scroll all the way down, and then you'll be able to see the option of delete account or submit request to customer service. So in here, if you, like I said, if you scroll down here, you'll actually be able to see account. Tap on that one. Here you might actually find the option of delete account, or if you do not find that account option, just like me, then what you can actually do is simply try to contact to the customer support. What you're gonna do is simply find their number online very easily. You can find that, or you can even get to their website just like this and find it there too, right? So after like finding their number, you're going to now contact them and tell them that you want to cancel your membership, and that's all you need to do in order to cancel your Rakuten cashback membership.